there, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is the YouTube and Instagram hop for Cheeky Studio. We've got a layout through all of us that is on Instagram or YouTube. And there's my code for anything that you purchase, Miranda10, to get 10% off. I had to use this July collection, or kit that she sent out. The kit for August just didn't make it here in time and watch it. When this goes live, I'll probably get the kit because that's how it goes. I had this idea in mind of what I wanted to do, and unfortunately, since it didn't come, I had to put together, so I was kind of struggling through this layout because I just didn't know what to do because I had an idea and I couldn't do the idea, and then I was second guessing myself throughout. So I hope you really enjoy this process. That yes, we all struggle, we all have those moments, those days. And also, I hope you like the layout. This is all about our favorite things. That's what this hop is all about. I decided to take it just a little bit different, do it in a traveler's notebook, and then grab my second best book from this author. This author is Sharon Kenyon, and she writes paranormal books, and this book here is my second best book to this twin set. So Styx is twins to Acheron, and Acheron is my favorite book of hers, and actually I think it's my favorite book of all time. And there is, I'm going to go right to the layout, there is the mixed media that I use. I grabbed some textures from Shimmers, and it's have a great day, so it's kind of like have a great day. And I placed down that stencil, and you saw what I did, and I blow dried it as much as I could with my heat tool, and did it along with doing a little bit of a corner tab. And look what I do. I did not realize that this corner tab had sticky. So there I go. Now it's done. And pretty much the rest of this is just embellishments of the succulents collection. Make sure that you go and check out everybody down below, because you have to like, subscribe, and comment down below on everybody on the YouTube hop to chance to win the giveaway that Tuesday is going to do for Cheeky Studio. To finish a little bit story about this book. So in this paranormal, she talks about vampires, Damians, werewolves, all of that stuff. I have read all of her books. I wait every year for the book to come out because she is on book number 26 or 29, and I have read all 29 books, or 26. I'm actually on, I can't remember if it's 26 or 29. I'm actually reading a free ARC copy of the new book that came out, that's coming out here on the 21st of August. And I struggled through this layout. I'm telling you right now, I struggle, and you'll see how I'm struggling. This may look like I'm going fast, but this took me 2 hours to do a traveler's notebook. 2 hours, because traveler's notebooks don't take this long. It's just sped up really, really fast. And this particular book is the second best book for me, like I said before. Acheron and Styx are the twins, and they're like the main characters for this series. You don't ever have to read these books in order, but I really highly suggest that you do, because these characters hop in and out of these books as we go, as the series goes on. And Styx is my second best book. Acheron is my favorite, and I will definitely be doing a traveler's notebook on that one as well. But Acheron, if my daughter Kaylin was a boy, his name would have been Acheron. That's would have been what I would have named him, because I have been in love with these two, and I would have totally told him where I would have gotten the name from. Honestly, if my husband would have let me, I would have probably named my daughter Styx. Just because these are my two favorite characters, and I find them everywhere in my books for this author. So if you ever want an amazing book, if you're, you know, a book nerd, booktuber, whatever the case may be, if you're looking for an amazing paranormal, this would be the book that I would give you. Here I am, I'm using the sequence, and I'm placing them down, and you'll see that I go ahead and glue everything down. I was trying to place these. I did take some of them off the, little bit off the picture because I didn't know if it would stick right or not, but or glue and stay. So I did take them off the picture, so I kind of just moved them off to the side and kind of acted like that's where it landed. And so I hope that you're enjoying this hop. Make sure that you go check out not only YouTube, but go ahead and check out Instagram. Instagram, you can come to me, or you can go to Cheeky Studio, and you have to do the exact same loop that you're doing for the YouTube. And then there you have to follow, like, and comment to be part of the giveaway. And I sure hope that you're enjoying this. It's a wonderful Saturday to get all those goodies about all of our favorite things. I have not, because I'm the curator, I have not seen any of the layouts because I didn't want to. I told them I don't want them. So I finish off the layout with Glorious Day from Shimmer's Vibes. That is in the shop. Make sure that you use my code Miranda10 to get 10% off. Go check everybody else out, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.